guys, myself Anshuman Jaiswal welcome you all in my Commerce Gateway classes. In our previous video, we have started or deal with the most frequently asked questions of written down value method under depreciation accounting. In today's lecture, we are going to start the most frequently asked questions of straight line method in depreciation accounting. So let's get started to our question number 1. That is, the question is that we have to deal with the purchase of 10 machines and how they are sold one by one, or one machine, two machines, like that we have to deal with that question. So let's get started to our question number 1. So question number 1 is, let me note down the question. First part is, the company's following financial year, that is, the books are closed on 31st March every year. Second part of the information. Second part is that on 1st of April 2015, M Limited purchased 10 machines for rupees 30,000 each. Third part, on 30th June 2016, out of these 10 machines, one machine is sold, that is M1 is sold for rupees 24,000. Okay. Fourth information is that on 31st December 2017, out of 10 machines, other machine, that is M2, is also sold for rupees 22,500. Fifth information is that on 30 September 30, 2018, additional machine is purchased for rupees 32,000. Sixth information, depreciation charge at the rate 10% per annum on straight line method. 7. Prepare machine account till 2019 31st March. As the question is given, this is the format of the question, and we are going to deal the solutions for it. That instead of, first of all, you have to make sure that instead of doing the calculations for sale of machine later, we will do it earlier. That separated machine, that is 3 lakhs, that is we are purchasing 10 machines, so 3 lakhs. So separate these two machines, that is 30,000 and 30,000, and remaining, that is 30, 36, 240. Divide this machine into 3 parts. So okay, now I'm going to deal the solutions for it for you. You can take the screenshot of the question, and now I'm going to write the solutions. This question is very much easy, but it is asked many times in the exam point of view or test point of view. So let's get started. So again, you have to make the format for machine account. Debit aspects, credit aspects. Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Now, we are purchasing machinery on 1st of April 2015, and the company is following financial year. So 2015, 1st of April. So you have to write it to bank account. Since we are purchasing 10 machines at a time, so at the later we are selling 2 machines. So divide the machines into 3 parts. That is, 2 machines we are selling. First machine, that is, if we do it, that 30,000 into 10, so we'll get 3 lakhs. So if we separate it and divide it into 3 machines, that is, first machine is 30,000, which you have to sell. Second machine also we have to sell, and third machine is for overall. So it will be 2,40,000, and on the basis of that, now you have to do the calculations on these three machines. If we do it at the time, then it creates a lot of chaos and confusion. So instead of that, we have separated it. Okay, now you have to write your first machine 30,000, second machine 30,000, and third machine 2,40,000. And we are getting 3 lakh, 2,40,000, 2,70,000, and 3 lakhs. So here we get 3 lakhs. Now we'll calculate a depreciation after 1 year. So 2016, 31st March. So by depreciation account. First machinery, it will be calculated for 10%, so it will be 3,000. Second, 3,000. Third, 24,000. So if we total it, we'll get 30,000. 30,000. Now the balance carried down will be again 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000. 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000, and 2,40,000 minus 24,000. So 240 and 24, 10, 4, 6, 3 to 2,16,000. And when we total it, we get 2,70,000 here. Now we'll total it 3 lakh here and 3 lakh here. Now again, this balance carried down will be brought down. So 2016, 1st of April, to balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be 27,000 first, 27,000 next, and third 2,16,000 third. So it will be 2,70,000. Now wait, let me see that whether in this year the machinery is sold or not. Okay. On 30 June 2016, yes, in this year the machinery 1 is sold. So 2016, 30 June. So by bank, you have to write here the sale value at which it is sold. It is sold for rupees 24,000. First machinery, that is this machinery, M1, M2, and RM, that is revenue machinery. So first machinery is sold, that is going to calculate a depreciation. Since we are applying the straight line method, so the depreciation will be calculated on machinery for rupees 30,000. So 30,000, it's 10%, and for 3 months. So you can calculate it, you will get 3,000, 1 by 4. So it will be 750. So 750. Now let us see that whether we are incurring the loss or not. So the book value is 27,000 and the sale value is 24,750. So we are incurring the loss. So we have to write here the by profit and loss account, that is loss. And how much we are incurring the loss? We are incurring the loss 27,000 minus 24,000 plus 750. It will be 2,250. This is the condition for first machinery which we have completed, and now we'll calculate the depreciation for remaining 2 machinery. So 2017, 31st March. So by depreciation account, for remaining 2 machinery, it will be 3,000. First machinery already sold out, and remaining 2 machine, that is 3,000 and 24,000. So it will be 27,000. And now I am carrying the balance over here. So 2017, 31st March. So by balance carried down. So the balance carried down will be 27,000 minus 3,000. So 24,000 and 2,16,000 minus 24,000. 216 minus 24. 642. 1,92,000. Yes, 1,92,000. So when you will total it, you will get 192 and 24. 426, 2,16,000. Now I am rubbing it so that I can continue it. Of these balance carried down. Now these balance carried down will be brought down here. So 2017 1st of April, 2 balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be first 24,000, second 1,92,000, and when we total it will get 2,16,000. Let me see in that whether there is adjustments or not, any machinery sold in this year or not. In this year, that is on 31st December 2017, 31st December, we are selling another machinery, that is this machinery, at rupees 22,500. So we have to write here, buy bank, sale value, that is 22,500. Again we have to calculate the depreciation. So by depreciation accounting, again the depreciation will be calculated on 30,000. So 30,000, it's 10%, and now from April to December it is 9 months. So 9 divided by 12, so it will be 0,003,000, 3 by 4. So here we are getting 2,250. So 2,250 we are getting the depreciation. Now the second machinery is sold and the book value of the second machinery is 24,000, and we are selling it at rupees 24,750. So obviously it is a profit and we are incurring the profit of 750. So profit will write here to profit and loss, that is, you have to write here profit of rupees 750. So 31st December. Now 31st December, yes. Now we'll calculate a depreciation for remaining last machine, that is 31st March 2018. So by depreciation. So the depreciation will be 24,000, as already 30,000 sold, sorry, it will be 24,000. So 24,000, here you can calculate it, 24,000, and the balance carried down will be 1,92,000 minus 24. So it will be 1,68,000. Now when you will total it, you will get this only 2,16,750, and here when you will total it, you will get 2,16,750. Now this balance carried down will be brought down. So 2018 1st of April, 2 balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be 1,68,000. But in this year also we are purchasing one more machinery, that is additional machinery, on 30 September 2018. So to bank account, you have to write here, that is 32,000 we are purchasing machine. Now it's very simple to calculate the depreciation. So 2019 31st March. So to calculate it, so by depreciation, so for first machinery it will be 24,000, and for second machinery which we have purchased just now, so 32,000, its 10% will get 3,200, and just half of it will get 1,600 for 6 months. So it will be 25,600. So when we carry the balance, we will get the balance by balance CD. So 1,68,000 minus 24, you will get 1,44,000, and 32,000 minus 1,600, 32,000 minus 1,600, so 10,64,000, 30,400, and when you will total it, you will get 1,74,400, and here you will get 2 lakh here also, here you will get 2 lakh here also. So hope so this question number 1 is clear to you. Now we are going to start question number 2, which is quite similar like this only. So let's get started to our question. So you can take the screenshot of the, you can pause the video, you can take the screenshot. Now I'm going to do question number 2. So question number 2. Okay. The company is again following the financial year. Financial year. That is again the books are closed on 31st March every year. Second, on 1st of April 2015, Star Limited purchased 5 machines for rupees 30,000 each. It is not 60, it is 60,000 each. Okay. On 1st of April 2017, 1st of April 2017, machinery 1 was sold at a loss of rupees 8,000. How much loss? 8,000. Now, 1st July 2018, machinery 2 was sold at a loss of rupees 12,500. Fifth information. On 1st of October 2018, additional machinery was purchased for rupees 1 lakh. Purchased for rupees 1 lakh. Sixth, depreciation charged at the rate 10% per annum on straight line method. 7. Prepare machine account till 4 years. Quite similar to previous question, but the difference is that in previous question the sale value is given, but in this the loss is given. So the treatment would be very easy to calculate, nothing to worry. So let's get start to our solution. So again you have to write here machine account. Debit aspects, credit aspects, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. So again, when we are purchasing machinery, we are purchasing it on 2015, 1st of April to bank account. And what is the cost of the machine? The cost of the machine is 3 lakhs. That is 60,000 into 5. 3 lakhs. But we will divide this machinery because we have to sell them to machineries later. So instead of doing later, we will do it earlier. So out of the 60,000 we are selling 5. Out of the 60,000 into 5, that is 3 lakhs. So first 60,000 will be separated. Next 60,000 will be separated, and next 1,80,000 will be separated. So we are getting 3 lakhs. 60,000, 60,000, 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 1,80,000. It is 3 lakh. Now our calculations become very much easier. So again the depreciation will be charged on 31st March by depreciation accounting. So again the 10% will be 6,000, 6,000, third 18,000. So when you will total it, you will get 30,000. Again the balance carried down. So the balance carried down will be 60 minus 6, 54,000. Again 60 minus 6, 54,000. And again 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18. 1,62,000. So when you will total it, you will get 2,70,000. 54, 54, it will be 1,08,000, 1,08,000 and 162. 082 plus 270. Now, this balance carried down will be brought down. So 2016, 1st of April, 2 balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be 54,000. second 54,000, third 1,62,000. So the total of it will be 2,70,000. In this year we are not selling any machinery, so the depreciation will be charged as usual. So 2017 1st of 31st of March. So by depreciation account again 6,000, 6,000, 18,000. So it will be 30,000 again. Now by balance carried down, you can carry the balance and see 54 minus 6, 48,000, again 48,000, and third 162 minus 18, 4, 1,44,000, 12, 8, 4, 6, 1, 5, 1, 4, yes, 1,44,000, and when we will total it, we will get 2,40,000. 2,40,000. So here when you will total it, 2,70,000, 2,70,000. Now again this balance carried down will be brought down. So we'll carry the balance now 2017 1st of April. So 2017 1st of April. Two balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be first 48,000, second 48,000, third 1,44,000, and when you will total it, you will get 2,40,000. Now in this year only, wait, let me write 6,000, 6,000 and 18,000, so that I do not get confused. Okay, now it is 2,40,000. Now in this year only, at the starting only, that is 1st of April, we are selling the machinery at a loss. So we have to write here 2017 1st of April. We have to write a by profit and loss account, that is, we have to write a loss 8,000. No depreciation will be charged because we are selling the machinery at the starting of the month only. So we can simply calculate its sale value, that is book value here 48,000 and we are selling it at loss 8,000. So simply subtract it, 48,000 minus 8,000 will be 40,000 its sale value. So by bank account, sale value, that is 40,000. Now we'll calculate the depreciation for remaining two machines. So 2018 31st March by depreciation accounting. First machine you already sold, so no need to calculate the depreciation, and another machine, that is 6,000, 18,000, that is 24,000. And we have to carry the balance, so carry the balance. So first 48,000, this machine is already gone, so now this machine 48 minus 6, 42,000, and 144 minus 18, so it will be 486, 144 minus 18, so it will be 486, 1,26,000, 1,26,000. Now when you will total it, you will get 1,68,000, 1,68,000. Now this balance carried down will be brought down. So 2018 1st of April. So two balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be first 42,000, second 1,26,000 and 1,68,000. Let me see that whether in this year any adjustments is made or not. Okay, in this year two adjustments are made. First, on 1st of October 2018, a machinery is purchased. So to bank account for rupees 1 lakh. And on 1st July 2018, we are selling another machinery. That is this machinery. So you have to calculate it. Nothing to worry about it. So 2018 1st July. So by we are selling it at loss of rupees 12,500. So it's very easy. So you have to write here again by profit and loss account, loss, that is 12,500. Here you can do 2,40,000 here, and here you can do 2,40,000 just to balance it. We are selling at loss, so depreciation will be calculated. So by depreciation account, so 60,000, it's 10%, and from April to July it is 3 months. So you will calculate it, you will get 1,500. Now this is our book value 42,000, and we are selling it at rupees 13,500. So what will be our value? So what will be our value? So let us calculate whether we are incurring profit or loss. So we are incurring 14,042 minus 14. So we get 28,000. So we are incurring the loss of 28,000. So we are not incurring the loss. We are getting the sale value of rupees 28,000. Now this machine also gone. Now the two machines are left, and on the two machines we have to calculate the depreciation. That is 2019 31st March. So by depreciation. On first machine it will be 18,000, and on second machine 1 lakh. 1 lakh it's 10%, 10,000, and 10,000 just half of it for 6 months, it will be 5,000. So you get 23,000. Now you will carry the balance. So carrying the balance over here because the space is not there. So by balance carried down. So the by balance carried down will be first 1,26,000 and 18,000. 126 minus 18, so it will be 8. 1,08,000, and second 1 lakh minus 5,000 is 95,000. So here you will get 2,03,000. 2,03,000. Here you will total it. So here also you will get 1,68,000. It will be when you will total it 2,68,000. Here also you will get 2,68,000. So our question gets completed here. Here 2,68,000, 2,60,000. Now our question gets completed here. This was all for today's video. If you like the video, subscribe and share it. Till then, thank you. Stay safe and have a nice day.